So I've been watching these birds and they just been flying in the same direction for miles and miles, seem like, because it's been like 40 minutes. They just don't stop coming. Look. They just been flying straight that way for the past 40 minutes. I'm like, is they ever gonna stop? Oh, look. What kind of bird is that? Wow. For the straight 40 minutes. And then, look. The moon is out too. "40 minutes they've been going. Now this been almost about an hour, man. I'm talking about non-stop, just like this. Constantly. That's crazy. That's crazy. And he's still coming. What the fuck? That's a lot of birds. Damn. They is flying hunty. Man. That's crazy. I wonder where is they going? Where is they going? Where is all these birds going? What in the world? That is a lot of birds. That is a lot of birds, y'all. That is a lot of birds. What in the world? And now it look like they're going another way. Now they look like they changed up and went the other way, some of them. Like some bigger ones coming that way while the smaller ones going the other way. See what I'm saying? The ones that's going to the left look like they bigger than the ones that's going to the right. Like the big ones is coming in and the small ones are leaving out. Hey, it's a lot. It's still a lot of them. That's crazy. Now they coming from up here. It was coming from just straight this way. Now they just coming, just still going. Just still going. Wow, y'all. This is crazy. Look. This is crazy. Look. If I can pull this back. Hold on. I'll show y'all what I see. I'm gonna show y'all. Look. Dude. That's a lot of birds, and it's been a long time, y'all. They've been flying like that for the longest, for like almost an hour, and they probably was flying longer than that, because when I went out, they was just still miles down the road, seemed like. They just won't stop coming. Look, they just been flying. And then could be in more than an hour, because I'm telling you, I was watching them while I was recording a video, because I had my camera in the window like I do now, and they was still flying like that. They was still flying like that. So it could have been over an hour and a half that they've been flying like this. They flying away from something. They flying away from something. But I don't know what it is. But whatever it is, they getting out of there, baby. They ain't hesitating at all. They getting away from something. Because they've been flying for, I'm telling you, over an hour. I cannot believe that I've been seeing these birds flying as long, that long of a length. Like all of these birds. Like how many birds this is. Oh my God.